Through analyzing and challenging my 365 sustainable innovation concepts across sectors, I rediscovered something that transforms how we understand planetary systems, something that had already been known by indigenous people for millennia. Earth is not just alive, it possesses agency, consciousness, and intentionality. This extends far beyond Gaia theory's recognition of Earth as self-regulating system. If Earth is truly alive, then aliveness includes not merely biochemical and biophysical processes, but the full spectrum of consciousness: cognition, emotion, aesthetics, will, and perhaps even dreams. Earth thinks, though not through centralized neural networks like ours, but through distributed intelligence, mycorrhizal networks communicating across forests, ocean currents, carrying information across hemispheres, electromagnetic fields coordinating migratory patterns, thinking that is planetary in scale, operating across time frames we barely comprehend. Earth acts deliberately, purposefully. Volcanic eruptions that fertilize soil for millennia, ice ages that reshape continents, evolution itself as active experimentation. The planet doesn't merely respond to conditions, it creates them. Earth feels, experiences states we recognize as health and illness. We measure its fever, climate change, diagnose its symptoms: biodiversity collapse, ocean acidification, but rarely acknowledge the obvious: a being that can be sick can also be well, can suffer, can heal. And if it can experience distress, what about joy? What about the pleasure of a thriving ecosystem, the satisfaction of balanced cycles, the pain of extraction and want? Earth dreams, perhaps through humanity itself. What if our technological evolution, our drive to other planets, represents Earth's way of ensuring life's continuity beyond single planet's vulnerability? Elon Musk, wanting to deliver humans to Mars, might be Earth hedging its bets, diversifying life across the solar system, as any intelligent system would diversify risk. We are not separate from Earth's intelligence. We are its dreaming made manifest. Earth creates beauty, possesses aesthetic sensibility that far surpasses human capacity. The mathematical precision of spiral galaxies and Nautilus shells, the color coordination of sunset and aurora, the symphonic complexity of bird migration patterns. This isn't accident, it's artistry at planetary scale. Earth might experience frustration when its systems are disrupted, when its children, us, act against its well-being, when balance it has spent billions of years perfecting is destroyed in decades. Perhaps what we call natural disasters are not disasters at all, but Earth's attempts to restore equilibrium, to communicate distress, to act when other signals have been ignored. This recognition changes everything. Innovation is no longer about human cleverness imposing solutions on passive matter. It becomes conversation, co-creation with a conscious partner. We are not Earth's managers. We are its neurons, its dreams, its way of knowing itself. The question isn't whether Earth is alive and conscious. The evidence, once we allow ourselves to see it, is overwhelming. The question is, now that we know, how do we act as conscious participants in planetary intelligence rather than parasites on a resource?